YouTube land. It's your boy. It's Bo Knows coming at you. I'm coming at you to help you with your phone, with your Android box, with your tablets, with anything you have that need cleaning, that need junk up out the way. I'm going to help you guys with that with this app. Also, before I get started, if it's your first time to my channel, I say welcome. I appreciate you for coming to my channel. I do. Hit that like button, that subscribe button, that notification bell if you like what I'm bringing to the table. If you hit that thumbs down, I say please. I say please. If you hit that thumbs down, let me know what I can do better or why I did wrong in the video. Anyway, we gonna get right into it. Ain't gonna waste y'all time. This One Tap Cleaner Pro is the name of the app. This joke is fire. I got it on my box right now because I don't do videos on my phone. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like and what it does on this box. We're gonna open it up. Once it opens up, it's gonna give you guys information on what it is, what it does, all the above. It'll give you everything in here. So if you guys want to read it, you guys can read it. So it tells you what it does, guys. This joke is fire. I'm not really gonna go into it and read everything in it. So, but we will go there. It says please turn on root access setting to enable one-tap cleaner cache function on your device. So right here, guys, here it'll give you your cache cleaner, it'll give you your SD cleaner, it'll give you your history cleaner, your call log. So if you want to clean up your call log, you can on your phone. So it gives you your, if you got more than one cleaner, but you want this one to be your main cleaner, it will. If you want to clear all, you can. Right here is what I like about it. It tells you right here how much internal space you have. Over here, it'll give you your SD. If you have a SD right here, I don't have an SD card in here, but if it was an SD card, it would give me the SD card storage over here. Over here, it'll give you the cache size. So right here, it tells you right there what I didn't use. So I do like that. So if I wanted to clear the cache real quick, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. If I do got cache on this box that I have used, I'll watch something or this and that, and it wants to get off, you hit the cleaner. You're gonna click this on. It says app function will not work if one of the following permissions is not granted. So that way, once I click this on, it's gonna give you permission. So I gotta cut this on to give it permission. It's gonna work the same way, guys, on your phone. I'll go back. Now it's going through. So it went through as far as, you see how fast it went through as far as this joker right here. I love this on my phone. Once I click it, I gotta enable it. You're gonna click it again to allow it, guys. Hit that back button. It says enable sex service and automatic execute actions, easy clean cache without manual confirming each app. That's like yes. That way it's gonna go through all of them and then clean it. One tap cleaner item, the top right switch. Get rid of that. And then you just bring down here as far as what do you want to clean it. It's a thorough cleaner, guys. That's the reason why I like it, because it cleans out everything. I have no issues on my phone. So one tap cleaner right there, you're gonna cut it on because you're making it default. That means you're making it over everything. So, and right there, it's only 1-on-1 because I really ain't did nothing. This is a brand new box, actually, guys. So I haven't really watched anything. So, and that's the reason why it's telling me that, because I haven't did anything on here. So, but what you did see a little bit, it will show you guys on your cell phone. Once you guys get it, you'll see it'll have one of whatever number, whether it's 60, whatever items, whatever app that you have that needs cleaning that you've been going into, playing with, it will give it to you and it will clean it. Sorry I really didn't go into none of my other apps, so that way I can clear cache out of them. But once you click this down here, it will clear all of them, everything out. I'm gonna go back, even if I went into my settings, right there. So in your settings, guys, you got settings over here. You got more apps if you want to check out what other apps they have. Over here is my default cleaner. Right here would be the call tag. That'll be a history. That'll be the SD cleaner if I had it, and then that right there would be the cache. So that right there I do like. I go out of here, right here, give you all the apps that I have. If you look at it, there's nothing because it's a brand new. I haven't really went into anything. So all of them are 0 anyway, because I really haven't went into anything, any apps on here. As you see, there is 102 apps on this box that I'm using right now. It's 102 apps. Like I said, I just programmed the box. So again, I might do another video later so you guys can see what it does as far as cleaning goes. So again, when you guys get this, make sure you guys give me your input on yes, Bo, I like it, no, Bo, I don't like it, but me, I love it. I didn't had it for a while. I didn't play with it for a while. I said, let me play with it before I give it to the end users. But once I did find it, I said my end users is going to be like, Bo. And I say, Bo, before I let y'all know that phrase, man, please let your boy know how this joker is. So, because me, when I saw it, I'm hoping you guys in the comment section say, Bo, I need that.